trying to carefully go up as close to the garage doors as they can. And our snow piles from the parking lots are growing. That's what you wake up to. Beep, 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 beep. They do a good job. For those of you who don't live in snow country, this would be an alien machine. And I was out here shoveling the center and sweeping off the furniture out here. Puts a bunch of seed out for the birds and the rabbits. And then we're going to put the bird feeder, since they told me I have to take it down. I'm going to put the bird feeder on this little metal table out here. Here, she's going to go down the other side. Okay, this is the excitement of winter storms. This is really nice snow, light, fluffy, easy to shovel. No ice. It is very nice snow. Wonderful white. Look how beautiful the world looks. Gets a little white blanket on it. And you can see all the critters that were coming here looking for food before I got up. Little trails that came right to my patio. Well, they'll be able to come here pretty quick when I get away from the window. Okay, bye.